Wish all the hashtags, likes and tweets will find a way to get lost. Yeah, and when I pull up to the scene, I wonder what
I want to go to Railay West, which is kind of the more popular side, I believe. They have a better beach and I think a little bit more tourist attractions than here. Here it's been really, really quiet. I'm curious to see what it's like over there. So I'll bring you along with me today. This is the little street that takes you from Railay East to Railay West Beach. Many places are still closed, but the ones here on the beach were open. So this is Railay West at high tide, I guess. I think the tide is slowly going down. It's still pretty freaking high. Waves are crazy. I'm not sure, but I'm thinking that after rainy season is officially over, the waves probably don't come quite this high, even at high tide. There we go.
yeah, but this is different. I deserve to find some.
Well, the tide is finally going out a little bit, so you can actually walk the beach here. The sand is amazing. It's super, super fine. So beautiful, even though the waves are crazy. Super windy today. Man, this is what paradise looks like. Getting a little deep out here. Oh heck yeah. This is why I do what I do. Entrepreneurship life all day, every day. I don't know if I can talk out here very much because of all the waves, but this whole vacation so far, every day that I've had literally doing no work, I've been making more than double what I've been spending. This is the kind of life I'm living. That's the power of Amazon. So this big rock or mountain behind me is kind of what Railay is known for, I think. And then over on this other side, over here, I don't know if I'm pointing to the right place, but over on that side, I believe is Tonsai Beach or Tonsai Bay. Yeah, these waves are crazy. And I'm over on the other side of this big mountain rock, whatever you call it, of Railay. This here is West Railay, and I'm staying on the east of Railay.
So find a way to.
Goes down, this beach is really, really amazing. super fine sand, super smooth. Yeah, that's what it's all about. Well, just finished an absolutely amazing Indian lunch and just walking back home. Check out this view though, there's just tons of mountains all around. Massive cliffs, so beautiful. Might as well go check this out. See where this trail leads. The cliffs are truly incredible. Holy cow. Like something straight out of the Jungle Book. Well, on second thought, maybe I won't go check out that cave right now. Come back another time. It's like they're a little busy blocking the whole path. Time to go home and shower and see what my next adventure happens to be. Hey, buddy. Just chilling here, huh? Oh. Look like you're drunk, buddy. So this little walking street is actually the main street here. Best place for the most variety of food and bars on Railay. Wake up. So that bar that was closed back there has like happy pancakes, happy cigarettes, happy shakes. Yeah. I'm not sure if they are selling that anywhere else right now, but any of you guys know what happy means? After a nice sunny morning, a good share of the afternoon and evening was rainy, so I'll end the video here. Tomorrow I'll be going rock climbing, something I'm super excited to do, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.